What's up guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video I'll be sharing with you 6 tips and tricks on WhatsApp that you can try yourself. Let's get into it. Did you know that you can watch YouTube videos in WhatsApp? Well, you can. When you receive the link for the video, it should look like this. To watch the video, tap the play button and it plays the video in that chat. You can go full screen and skip to any part of the video, but there are no settings like adjusting the video quality or adding subtitles, and the video stops when you tap the X button at the top or you leave the chat. The next trick is the wallpaper feature. This feature allows you to customize your chats in pretty much any way you want. When you go into settings and into chats, tap on wallpaper, then tap on change. You are given a selection of wallpapers arranged in sections which are bright, dark or solid color. You can also choose a wallpaper from your gallery. To apply the wallpapers, tap on one of the sections, scroll through and select the one you want. You are able to preview it, and if you like the way it looks, tap on set wallpaper. After setting it, you can then adjust how bright or how dark the wallpaper is. That's amazing. The next is disappearing messages. This will delete any message you send after 7 days of sending it. So it's like a way of automatically deleting messages you don't need. To do that, you go into the chat you want, tap on their name, and down below you can toggle it on if it's off or off if it's on. And when it is on, you will see this indication on their profile picture. There are some things to note. One, if it's a chat with a person, the person will know that you have turned on disappearing messages and can turn it off. And if it is a group chat, everyone would know that you have turned on disappearing messages, but the group admins can decide who can turn it on or off. And two, you can save the messages elsewhere if you want to keep that message, but you shouldn't start the message because start messages are also deleted if the main message is gone. Did you know you can tweak some settings which would allow you to unlock your WhatsApp with your fingerprints? If your phone has a fingerprint sensor, then you can do this. All you have to do is head over to settings, tap on accounts, tap on privacy, scroll to the bottom and tap on fingerprint unlock. Then toggle it on. You will need to confirm your fingerprint, then choose how long WhatsApp will stay unlocked before automatically locking itself. Now whenever you want to open it, you will be asked for your fingerprints to unlock WhatsApp. This next one allows you to request a report of your account, and this report contains everything about your account, the groups you are in, the number of chats you are in, everything about your account. So if you want a report of your account, head over to settings, tap on account and tap on request account info, then tap on request reports. It takes about 3 to 4 days for the report to be ready, and when it's ready you will receive a notification. Then go back to the same place where you requested for it, download it and export it to a secure place so that you can access it. Then when it's there, you can open the HTML file and you'll be able to see everything about your account. This last one allows you to add contacts with a QR code. To do this, go to settings and tap on the icon beside your name. Your QR code will be generated so another person can scan the code to add you to their contacts. To scan a code, just swipe left on that same page, then your camera is activated and you can now scan the code. The other person can share the code as an image by tapping the share icon at the top right. When you have the code, go back to that same page, but now tap the picture icon at the bottom left. Then select the picture from your gallery. WhatsApp then scans the picture and brings out the contacts for you to add. Also, you can scan QR codes to join groups. If you are the group admin, tap on the name of the group and tap on invite via link. Below you will see QR code and an option. Tap on it, the QR code of the group comes up and you can share it with others to scan and join. So those are all the tips and tricks I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.